If you are wondering if we have eSIM on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, then the answer is both yes and no. Unfortunately, not every Xiaomi 17T Pro has eSIM, but this is a regional difference. So for example, if you live in Europe, let's say, then you do have eSIM, and all you have to do is you need to go to settings, then you can go to mobile networks in here, and then you can turn on eSIM, and then you can add eSIM and activate it on your phone. On the other hand, if you live in countries where eSIM is not as available as probably it should be at this point, most likely it is also not available on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. Now, before you purchase the phone, if you want to know if your Xiaomi 17T Pro has eSIM, I think the easiest way to actually check it is by looking at the box. Because under the box, if you can find the EID over here, or in any other place, but most likely it's going to be here in this part. If you have EID, then it means that you do have eSIM. But if there is no EID information, then unfortunately, most likely eSIM is simply not available on this phone. And of course, you can also ask the person that is selling the phone to you if eSIM is available on this phone or not. But like I said, if you live in Europe, for example, or maybe in the United States, then most likely you don't have to worry about it. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.